You complete your work and you're about to leave, but it rains. Yeah, this is my office and this is your vlogger Raja Dutta vlogging after a long while. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys do it absolutely fine. All my colleagues, my friends are waiting there. You can just see they're waiting and I'm vlogging here for no reason. Being a vlogger, everything is a content, and I guess this is the suitable content. One of my friend and my buddy helps me out with deal, and we are stuck, right? When are we going home, bro?
His name is Mr. Orlando, and my name is Mr. Stanley.
Yeah, we get an alias name, and we got that name. He's Stanley, and I'm Orlando. Hey, guys, so what to do, man? We are stuck.
We are stuck in
We are
one.
stuck. We are stuck.
Stuck in one.
We are stuck in one.
No problem.
No problem. We'll do it tomorrow, isn't it? Has stopped and can just leave, hoping for the best. We're just leaving and introducing Prakash Bhai.
Hello, guys.
He is Prakash, and what is his alias name, bro?
It's Mac. It's Mac.
Mac. So the rain is stopped, we are just leaving, and I don't know, Anmol, are you busy? This is what? This will be uploaded in YouTube, bro. Okay, so let's leave. We are going home. Fine. So bye. With that said, guys. It's not my. जम गए कुछ आपसे नहीं हमारा रिश्ता ही क्रिएट है. Bye. See you in the next vlog.